Alright, y'all, so today we got a Temu unboxing. So I already opened up my little Temu bag because I was out at the park, and so on the ride back I wanted to use one of my items, which is a cell phone holder. So I already installed this in the car and I'm liking it so far. You're supposed to hang it up on your sun visor. Well, I guess you can kind of put it anywhere though. You can even use it as a selfie stick, okay? And I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I'll put it somewhere up here on the screen. Then I have another one that's supposed to hook on to the rear view mirror. I got it upside down. And I ain't gonna open this one until I get back to the car, so I just put that to the side. What else we got? Oh, I've been wanting one of these for a while. I'm probably gonna get all the girls in my family one, but it's a door lock. So I've been wanting one for like when I go to hotels and stuff. Make me feel a little more secure. I don't know how it works just yet. I'll read the instructions and try it out. So I guess you're supposed to put this side into the, I don't know what it's called, but you stick it in there, close the door, and I don't know if this is supposed to hang or you attach it some kind of way. I don't know. If it goes in there and locks, I don't know. Child, I'll figure it out. Then I bought these. These are some kind of, yeah, please don't let her bring her butt over here. But these are some kind of, little shades you put on your window in the car. Because we don't have tinted windows, so see how this work out. And I bought me a phone charger. We always need these around the house and in the car. So this one comes with 3 different pieces. So I think one would be called the lightning cable. I think that would be this one for the iPhone. And I think this is a USB-C. And I don't know the name of this one. I just know it works for like plugging in your PS4 chargers and the old cell phones back in the day. Oh, and then I wanted to show y'all my girl Akila got me some Bath and Body Works. She got me the Champagne Toast Body Cream. Okay, girl. Let me see what it smells like. That smells good. That smells good. Then we got, oh, she said she got this one from Walmart on clearance. It was $1.19. Peach Sunrise Body Cream. That smells good too. It don't smell as strong as the champagne toast, but it smells good. Then we got the champagne toast fragrance mist. What is it? Fragrance mist. See what this smelling like. I don't really want to spray it because I already got other stuff on me. I smell like a strong alcohol. Hold on. That smells good after that alcohol smell go away. And then she got your girl a champagne toast candle. She hooks me up. The 3 wick. Okay, Akila, I see you, thank you. I'm one of them people that like to put my stuff back in the little bag until I'm about to use it. I don't know why, but I like having my little bag. So that's what I got from Temu. That's what I got from Bath and Body Works. Thank y'all for watching.